Hello, everyone. And again, as always, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I just want to offer words of encouragement through this time that we're going through and to let you know that I am here to help you. I have been since 2015 learning and understanding energy. Since 2017, I have been traveling to other continents, especially Africa, Nigeria, Osun State, Oshogbo to be specific. Learning and understanding how to connect with ancestors and how to connect with our roots so that I can help you. I offer many services. I do free readings. It's a website, which is ifawui.com. If you're unsure about something or you just need a question answered, I do that. I also do a Ujutu cream, which is, Ujutu is the Yoruba word for solution. It has some shea butter, coconut butter, black seed oil, so it really helps with a lot of issues that you may be having with your skin, with inflammation. It has properties that can uplift you. And this is what I hear from a lot of the clients, customer friends and family that have actually used it. I do Ujutu bracelets, which are crystals. Crystals hold so much energy. They possess so much energy. They're eons old. And these also have different healing properties to help you. And I just really want you to understand that everything that I've done as far as my training and my traveling has been so that I can help you. As I said, I do free readings. I also have the 4-step cure, which I'm going to roll out a free course, which is an 8-month course for the first 50 people. So stay tuned to that. And these courses help you with financial, physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of life. It's non-denominational, so it doesn't matter what you call God. This course is to help you understand who you are supposed to be in life. So I really encourage you to go to the website, check out some of the things that I have to offer. You'll be amazed. And I know that we all mostly are stuck at home. And so that's why I'm going to do the 4-step cure free for the first 50 people that sign up. I'm working on getting it ready and set. It's a course that you can take at your own pace online. Again, you can go to 4stepcure.com or ifawui.com and get information. And so when I put it out there for the free course, you'll be able to be one of the first ones to sign up. And again, I just truly want you to know that I'm here for you. It is my life purpose to help. So whether you're a friend of a friend, you know me, you don't know me, that's what I'm here for, to help. And that's really all I would like to do. So join me and continue to watch my videos. I started my YouTube channel, subscribe, and so many things that's on there now and so many things that I'm going to add just to uplift and help you, not just through this time, because we're going to get through this time, but through any hard time in your life. And I just really like to say thank you. And I just really like to say thank you very much for just taking the time to listen. Enjoy the rest of your day.